Jerusalem cherry is native to Peru, Ecuador, and the southern parts of South America. It is frequently found in warm subtropical or tropical areas. The plant has been introduced into the US, Europe, Asia, and Australia. It spreads rapidly from disturbed forests to natural areas and has become a widespread weed in some countries. It is cultivated as an ornamental and is frequently sold as a houseplant. The Jerusalem cherry is a small to medium-sized, bushy, perennial, evergreen shrub. It has dark green leaves and clusters of white star-shaped flowers that appear in the summer. The plant stems are green and wiry. The leaves are glossy and elliptical to lanceolate in shape with wavy margins. Red, yellow, or orange berry-like fruits appear in the fall and winter, and the fruit is about the size of a cherry, but is inedible. Jerusalem cherry prefers full sun in a sheltered location. It thrives in moist, well-drained, loamy soils with a natural pH. If grown outside, the plant must be brought in before the first frost. The plant reproduces by seeds or stem cuttings. Each berry produces 50 to 100 seeds. The seeds are dispersed by birds in the wild. Plants that grow well with Jerusalem cherries are chrysanthemum, sunflower, and gerbera daisies. The Jerusalem cherry's poison is primarily Solanum pseudocapsicum, which is similar to other alkaloids found in their genus such as solanine. Although the toxin is poisonous, it is generally not life-threatening to humans. It may cause gastric problems, including vomiting.